Did you know the design industry in India is projected to grow at a rate of 23 to 25% annually over the next 5 years? What's up people? This is 50 reasons to stay in India. एक डेली सीरीज जहां मैं 50 दिन हर रोज आपको एक रीजन दूंगा इंडिया में रहने का एंड आज हम बात कर रहे हैं ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग के बारे में। सो ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स एक्चुअली करते क्या है? ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स बस ड्राइंग्स और लोगो नहीं बनाते। In fact, in today's world of data and content, everything that you see, watch or consume is made by these graphic designers. ये वीडियो जो आप देख रहे हो वो भी इन्हीं ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स ने एडिट किया हुआ है। In fancy words, they create visuals using computer software for communicating ideas. They usually make the overall layout and production design for applications such as magazines, brochures, advertisements, etc. So why should you become a graphic designer? And mainly why in India? That is because according to sources, India needs more than 62,000 graphic designers for the country's industrial production and graphic needs. Whereas we currently have only 7,000 of them and even 5,000 out of this batch is currently studying. And you know what? The average salary of a graphic designing fresher in India is as high as 9 lakh rupees per annum. To become a graphic designer, all you need is a bachelor's degree in graphic design, visual communication or fine arts, coupled with some online certifications from any of these platforms and a master's degree where you can choose your specialization from graphic design, UI UX design, web development or motion graphics. Indian graphic designers like Binoy Sarkar, Akshar Pathak and Dashrath Patel have left a huge mark on the global design industry. And with India being on the path of becoming the next global content house, if you are interested in anything related to design, then graphic designing as a career in India is one of the best career options for you. This was reason 15 for you to stay in India. तो क्या करेंगे आप? इंडिया से दौड़ोगे या इंडिया को दौड़ाओगे?